Hey guys, so we are going to be changing our system. We're going to be using with our Keiser M3i bikes, we are going to be now utilizing their app system with our bikes in studio in classes. So you will need to bring your phone to class. You will need to turn your ringer off on your phone so that it doesn't disrupt the class. You will need to download from your store, from your app store, the Keiser M series app. And so once you've downloaded the app, it'll open. You'll get onto your bike. Of course, you want to download the app when you're at home first so that you can create an account and have that all ready to go. So that you just tap the app when you come in and then you get on the bike. Once you get on the bike, it'll start searching. It's a Bluetooth, so it'll search the bikes. You'll see a whole bunch of numbers come up on the screen. At the moment, I'm the only person in the studio, so only one number will come up on the screen. Look down at your bike. You'll see your number on your bike. My bike is number 12. So I'm going to tap number 12. Once I tap number 12, a white screen will come up. It will have 3 different machines on it. You're going to select a machine type. The machine type you're going to select is an M3i. Once you tap that, it's going to ask you what type of session you want to do. When you're doing a group ride with us in the studio, you're doing what's called a free ride. When you do a couple of different rides with us in the studio, such as the Fondo training, we're going to be doing what's called the FTP test. So that's going to be on here as well. So once you do the free ride, your screen will be up and will look like this, and it'll have like a little graph. From that position, you're going to swipe and you'll have your dials. This is the screen that we're going to be utilizing in the classes because it will kind of take over what the computer does on here, and it'll be a big visual for you for when you're doing your ride. And then the instructors can go through with you what these colors are. It's the exact same as what we were doing before with our heart rate monitors and when we were riding, the levels of exertion. So if you're in color blue, level of exertion. So again, level of exertion, that's your warm-up. If you get into the green, it means your RPMs is going up and you're working a little harder. Your effort goes up. If you're working harder yet, you go into the yellow. That means you're at your higher level, so that's you're working hard, it's your work zone. And then of course, if you start going 100 RPM, you're going to be working into your red zone. And of course, we don't want to be riding our whole class in our red zone. So the idea is to work at the paces that are best for you. And again, we do guided rides, so we'll make sure that you're working at the right pace. All right, enjoy your class.